My name is Gwendolyn Kea. I am the owner of Premier Tax and Accounting Group. The biggest problem that I was looking to solve was getting documents back that needed to be signed timely, sending out reminders, being able to easily download the information once it's signed, being able to revoke the documents if something needed to be changed. But the biggest piece is getting the documents to the clients confidentially. And that helped tremendously with BoldSign. Because when you're utilizing information that has social security numbers, dates of birth, private information like that is very important to them, and email is not secure. Not everyone wants to use Google Docs, but this right here gives them the chance to review and approve their return before it's submitted. And not just with tax returns. I have now started utilizing it with contracts as well between myself and clients. Life with BoldSign made my tax season so much smoother. I would say on an average, I would be chasing typically about 65% of my clients' documents. I am literally down to waiting on 2 documents from clients. What I like most about BoldSign, and this is very important to me as a business owner, is the customer service, the follow-up, the emails asking, do I need anything in addition? I would recommend BoldSign to any of my friends, not just my best friend. I would recommend BoldSign to any business owner, any company that needs to be able to transition documents from their company to the client for signature review. I would recommend BoldSign to anyone and everyone. I will continue to use BoldSign as long as BoldSign is available. I mean, and I'm not just saying this because I'm in front of the camera, but I love using it.